Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the final stage on the tuk-tuk doors. I'm going to take you through some clear coat on these today. Stick around and we'll get some clear down. That's the end of this video. I'll give you a little pan round and a talk through of what I did, the gun that I used and the clear coat. So that's the finished Peroni doors. Come out really nice, gloss levels really nice on these, and that clear will just seal all that artwork down and all that patina that I added extra all round the door. Same this side. Got the extra patina that I put in round the door and just added more, but that sealed that down nice. The gun that I used was the GTI Pro in a 1.3 setup, 2-bar pressure for clearing these today, and I've used the multi-mix MS clear with a fast hardener. It's a 2-to-1 mix. I put 0 thinners in it, just done one full wet coat, sealed wet coat, and then I left that and I came back in and I was just checking and touching the masking tape on the handles, the hinges all round, and just checking that down for its flash off time. And then when you feel it go, just tack it and it's not pulling back and going stringy. When you get that nice tacky feel like masking tape, you're good to go for your second coat. And then just open it up a little bit more and then just buttered the next coat on. And that's how they've come out, guys. So it's come out really well. Really pleased with those, and I think the customer will be as well, because I sent him the video of the previous one to this before we cleared them, and there was big smiley faces, so they look better now they've been cleared. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the tuk-tuk doors, the little episodes, and I hope you can join me in the next one, because we're moving on to the lowrider e-bike trailer. So this one's a custom build, so we're going to get the tools out. There's going to be airbrush work in this, there'll be clear coating, there's timber work to do in this as well. We're doing routering. It's all happening in the next one, guys, so hope you can join me in that one. Don't forget, if you're new to the channel, click that subscribe, press that notification bell so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos, and give us a thumbs up, guys. It does help the channel grow, and I can see the growth in it. I just want to say a big warm welcome to all the new subscribers that have come over to the channel, and a big thank you and thumbs up to all my regulars. The comments are much appreciated, guys, they really are, and as you know, I jump straight back and get back to you on the comments. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one.